I always known that I wanted to make a difference in the world. My name is Rachel Recker and I'm a 3L. I decided to come to the immigration clinic.
It's an opportunity for students in their last year of law school to represent clients under supervision. Erica Curran, Professor of Professional Skills. It's a small class, usually 6 or 7 students work with me and they actually work with real clients. It's my favorite part of teaching because you get moments where things kind of come together for students when things that are sort of done in the abstract as you're learning about them, and then you actually, okay, I'm writing a brief that I'm actually going to file to court and it's going to help a real person.
I love actually working with the clients and getting to do hands-on things. Right now, my main priority is briefing, so we're preparing for a trial. It's very, very hard work, but it's really cool to see everything that I've learned throughout my years at UDSL actually come into play.
The focus of our clinic is to work on cases that are humanitarian in nature and address human rights issues as well. The clients are lovely to work with and they're so grateful and appreciative. It's a way for us to give back to the community as well as provide an educational opportunity for students.